Hey everyone, my name is Jeff and I'm from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at a brand new or newish VPN on the Formula devices that it might be just what you're looking for. Let's take a look. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I will not be long. Introduction. Once again, my name is Jeff and I'm from theboxmen.com. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com. Happy Thanksgiving to you as we jump into this video. If this is your first time to our Stream Machines YouTube channel, I know it's different than my main website. We are the Stream Machines YouTube, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. So this is about the Formula device, always about the Formula sometimes. But in the market, they have a really good VPN called VPN.iio. And I happen to subscribe to that, and I'm glad it's in the marketplace, and it's getting a buzz with the Formula users that have the devices. Now, if this is your first, not your first time, but give me a thumbs up if you like the content. It really helps us out with the algorithm of YouTube, and I appreciate that click and even subscribe to the channel. Much appreciated. But if you go to the market on their device, you press the OK button. It should put up if you're connected to the internet, and only if you're connected to the internet. It'll pull up the applications that come by default on this device. To the left, you'll have different groups like top 10, general apps, VPN. And once you land on that, you push to the right with the directional pad. Go all, there's Surfshark in here, Stealth, WireGuard, Express. You got Nord, you got this DNS changer, private. I tried them. But all the way to the right is VPN.iio. Now, VPN.iio, I'm going to go ahead and set it up. And then it's already connected on the device. And then what we will do while we're here is I'm going to run a speed test because I think it's real important because I'm in my dungeon. So I'm not expecting great speeds. But I want to show you that being connected or being protected is not about having the best speed. So VPN.iio, and their website is VPN.io.net. And you can look them up. And they have some good packages, and I will show that towards the end of the video. But I also sell these with a bundle package on our website on theboxmen.com. And we'll get to that in a moment. So let's go ahead and go to the homepage. And then if we go to the right, there's VPN.io. Now, as we open it up, I'm already connected, okay? But I'm going to go into it lets you auto select. So if I click on this, you'll see some of the regions. So you have overseas one called Amsterdam. You got Chicago, Dallas, Miami, New York, Seattle. Not a lot of cities, but, all the locations are solid. You get 5 connections with this. And it connects very easily, very, very easy. So if I hit the back button and go up to the top here, I'm going to go to settings. And then you can see the email that I have there or whatnot. And you can manage the account. You can allow the apps or disallow them. Let me go here. Let me press this. So if I go to here, you got some settings where you can allow different apps or not allow different apps. It gives you pretty good flexibility to do that. Let load up again. And then if I go, you can't manage the account. But then the active devices, you can see that you'll be able to have up to 5 devices, which is a really good thing. And mine expires on the 27th of November, 2025. So I just wanted to show you that the version is here. And let's go to network protection. So you can block all non-VPN traffic, that's cool there. It also will allow you to go to the protocols. So you got automatic, which it'll set up by itself. You have Open VPN, and it says best combination of speed and security, but may not work on all networks. And then you have this one, IKE for V2, may not work on all networks. Most people leave it automatically on, which is fine. And we can do that as well. So I'm going to leave it on automatic, and you can play with these. You can switch them up, see how easy it is, but I'll leave it on automatic. And we're going to go back really quick and go back again. And all I'm going to do is go to the top here and press this. It's going to search. It'll build it, and then I'm connected. So now I'm protected before, and it's on. You can see it's connected, and I'm protected all the way through while using this VPN while I'm online. So the next thing I want to do is show you, if I could, did I get the speed test? Let's go to the apps, and we got fast. So I'm just all Wi-Fi here all the time. So let's see what speed it gives me, because I am in the dungeon. Now, some people would say, wow, you only got 20 megabits per second Wi-Fi. That's enough on a VPN to run flawlessly. You don't need the top speed. I just want to say that. You don't need the top speed to run flawlessly. All you need is good internet traffic, a good speed. And so if you can get 29, I can definitely watch 4K again. So let me go ahead and do this again. I'll do the test again, see if I can get a different one. But I think that's good all the way through. And let's see here. I never did that. Let me go back. Let's try this again. Yeah, a little bit better. So now I'm around 41. To have internet or Wi-Fi and have 41 megabits per second with a VPN with protection, I think that's pretty good. So my point in saying that is that I'm not going to open any of the applications here that will show any of the TV that I like to watch. But I really like the fact that VPN.io, number one, is already in the formula box. So basically, it makes it very, very easy for you, if you don't have one, to get one. Number two, the price that we have is $50 for a year. And so you would get that price, and you would get your username and password. You have 5 devices, and it's $50 a year for 5 devices, and no logs, none of that. And you have plenty of speed, as you saw. And I can give you a link in the description of the video on where to purchase that. And the other good news is that if you ever wanted to get a device from our theboxman.com, which you can definitely do, you can bundle this to get a better price. So we have a bundle package with the device that you'll purchase. We'll give you a discount on the VPN.io for a year, so you can bundle that together. So you have the best device with the best protection, and you should be good to go. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close out the video. What I will do is put a link where you can purchase it from us and give you the information from VPN.io.net. And you can, if you wanted to go there to see how legit it is. But I appreciate if you want to purchase. I don't mind that you know, letting us help you out. But I've used this for over a year, and I've keep coming back. And I have others that I try just because I do videos. But VPN.io for the price, to me, simplicity for me is a game changer. And that's what you're looking for. I appreciate you guys watching this short, hopefully informative video. If you're interested in this, just go ahead and go down to the description, click on it, and go ahead and purchase it. We'll get you all set up, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving again.